Okay, this is the way to Rani waterfall.
Rani duduma.
Rani Duma?
Rani duduma.
Rani waterfalls. It is situated in the district of Koraput, Odisha.
Anandpur.
Okay, the view are very nice. Okay, the streams, the sounds of the waters, and the birds chirping. See, all the handiworks of God are very, very awesome. Wow, what a nice place. It is written here, Rani waterfall. Okay. In a day, more than 10,000 tourists they visit this place according to their statistic. Okay, this is the place where the Odisha people come and enjoy during the summertime, because it is a very nice place and the places are very cold, and then the sounds of the waters is like a sounds of music, some melodies. Okay, here all my staff, they are enjoying over here. And okay, here is also the tourists. Say hello, beta. Hello. Okay, thank you. Okay, this is the water here. Okay, this is the waterfalls. Oh, it's very high. Oh my God. OMG. Wow. What a nice place. See, my staff, they're enjoying. Wow. Please say hello. Hi, hello. Okay. This is Rani waterfalls. What a nice place.
Now you take
Yes, I will do. I will take the Titanic pictures along with all my staff. Wow, the rocky place. See. Okay. Yes, this is the place. Okay, first time visiting in Rani waterfalls. What a nice scene. What a nice beautiful scenery. What a nice place. See how the people are enjoying. Wow. See, hello. Yes. Come on. Yes. See.